All right, ladies and gentlemen. So I wanted to go ahead and take a moment to go back through what it means to be text marking. Quite a few of you are not doing this on a lot of your reading assignments, and it's costing you some very valuable points. So this is a requirement of the reading assignment. It is essentially half of the grade. So if the total reading assignment and with questions is worth 20 points, the text marking is 10. Okay, so we're going to walk through. This actually happens to be from my world history classes, but the process is the same no matter what class or reading that you have. Okay, so this is on the Russian medieval development. All right, and so the idea would be that you've gone through, you've read the reading, you've read through it at this point, and now you're starting to answer the questions. So we're going to take a look. We have question number 1 here, right? So question 1 says, how did geography influence the development of early Russian civilization? Okay, so question 1, right? So I'm looking for somewhere in the reading about geography and development of Russia. Okay, so I go back into my reading here. Okay, and so I look for different things maybe on geography, right? So we see here, oh, Russia's story was influenced by geography. Okay, well, not quite. So then the very next thing, though, we talk about right here. It says open grass. Well, that's a description of geography. Okay, so I know I'm probably in the right area here. All right, that next paragraph. So right here, okay. And so now what did it do though? It made the region vulnerable to nomadic invasions, but also ideal for trade routes. So what I would do, right? It's like, okay, well that looks like the answer. Well, let's go back to see my choices. Okay, so it isolated Russia from all trade routes? No. It encouraged feudalism? That wasn't mentioned. Made Russia vulnerable to invasion, but ideal for trade. Perfect. So that's what it said. So that's my answer, right? All right, so I'm going to circle or mark C there. But I have to go back over here and say, I found my answer here. So I'm either going to use a highlighter, go like this, highlight it. Or if you don't have a highlighter, okay, you would underline it like this. And then since this is for question 1, I'm going to write a number 1 somewhere near what I've just highlighted or underlined. Right? So you answer the questions, but you also mark where you found it in the reading. This includes either highlighting or underlining, and then putting the question number. And you do that for all of them. Now, some of your questions are a little more thought-provoking, where you have to put some dots together. On those, any bit of information that you use to help you answer is what you would text mark. Okay? So again, these are requirements for every reading. Okay, so you want to do both pieces. Again, highlight or underline and write the question down.